What's up, you guys? It's your boy Chris here with EB.TV, and I'm back again with another video. Today, this is custom on some Air Jordan 1s. As you saw by the thumbnail, I'm turning these Game Royal ones into some, what are they called? Fragment Air Jordan 1. You know, the coveted, limited edition, sample only, all that good stuff. Look, these right here, boom, hold up. These right here, these are gonna be turned into Fragment Air Jordan 1s. I'm not gonna do the logo because that's just like fraudulent behavior, and I'm not the type to be, you know, out here talking about like, yeah, I got real frags and not real frags. It's just custom. But basically what I'm doing is just making this black, making this, like I was saying before my camera so rudely died on me, I'm gonna be turning these Game Royal 1s into Fragment Air Jordan 1s. This is gonna be black right here. This is gonna be black. This is gonna be black, and then this little piece right here is gonna be black. And then I'm gonna do the raw edging and all that good stuff. I'm gonna show you guys that. It's gonna be a really simple custom video. It's gonna be like 5 minutes probably, but still. Anyways, you guys like the video, leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Go follow me on Instagram at EB.Customs. I'm gonna put it right here, right there, just like that. So follow me on Instagram, support your guy. If you need some shoes done, DM me or email me at EB.Customs@yahoo.com. I don't know why I just almost butchered that, but alright, that's it, guys. Watch the custom. Hope you like it. Do your own shoes or have me do them. I'm gonna have some more heat coming here soon. Got a giveaway coming soon. I'm at 38.2K right now. I hit 40K. It's over. You guys are gonna get a free pair of shoes. Not everybody, but probably 1, 2, maybe 3, maybe 5 people. Depends on how the videos do, man. Anyways, peace out. boys and girls, that's the end of this video today. Yeah, these shoes right here. Look, these is Frags now. These used to be Game Royals, now they're Frags. It's a whole nother shoe. Same shoe, different colorway. But these came out really good. You know what? Leave a like if you like the shoes. If you didn't like the shoes, leave a like anyways, because I really appreciate it. Subscribe, tell your friends, your family, your mama, your daddy, your sister, your brother, oh, your aunt, oh, your uncle. Throw it right back. Come on. Anyways, yeah, these things are done. They look good. They look great. Check it out. Look. All black, with the lining and all that. They look good. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. Know what you guys want to see next in the next video. I've been doing a lot of Air Jordan ones lately. I got some more restorations with some ones coming. I got cases on cases on cases on cases on cases on cases. Just kidding, I'm not fighting no cases. Anyways, that's the end of this video. Like, subscribe, share. I'm out. Peace.